Welcome to Immigrations and Jobs Talk Show. Humanitarian parole has been a vital immigration tool used by U.S. presidents for over 70 years. Both Democratic and Republican administrations have relied on it to grant people who can't use standard immigration routes access to the United States, often for urgent humanitarian reasons. However, President-elect Donald Trump is now signaling his intention to end this long-standing practice, which could leave thousands of immigrants vulnerable and without legal protection. Let's explore what humanitarian parole is, its history, and what could happen if Trump follows through on his promise to dismantle it. Under the Biden administration, humanitarian parole has been used extensively to welcome immigrants from countries with tense relations with the U.S. For example, over 500,000 people from Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela have been granted parole, allowing them to live and work in the United States temporarily. Biden's administration expanded this tool in 2022 and 2023, especially for those fleeing unstable situations in countries like Venezuela, Haiti, and Nicaragua. For instance, as part of the parole program known as CHNV, up to 30,000 individuals from these countries are allowed to enter the U.S. each month. These individuals can receive work authorization for up to 2 years, with the opportunity to apply online. This process was designed to reduce illegal crossings at the southern border by offering an alternative pathway for those seeking refuge. However, President-elect Donald Trump, who has been a staunch advocate for stricter immigration policies, is set to roll back this crucial tool. Trump has made his stance clear, calling humanitarian parole an outrageous abuse and pledging to end it entirely. If he follows through, it could have major consequences for those who rely on it. For over 1 million people, including tens of thousands of Afghans and Ukrainians, humanitarian parole has been a lifeline. Individuals like Manuel Castaño, human rights activist from Nicaragua, were able to use parole to escape violence and persecution. Castaño applied for parole in 2023 and was granted entry to the U.S. with his family. His parole status allows him to stay until 2025, and he is now seeking asylum. But if Trump follows through on his plan to dismantle this program, the protections of many like Castaño could disappear, leaving them in a precarious situation. So, what could happen if Trump ends humanitarian parole? First, it's important to note that terminating or halting parole for new applicants could face legal challenges. However, Trump's administration could take a more indirect approach, simply stopping new admissions and allowing current parolee status to expire. This would leave those who entered under parole status in limbo, with their legal protections vanishing after their 2-year term ends. Another possibility is that Trump could push for deportations of those who have been granted parole, as their records and sponsors are well documented. Immigration experts like Charles Cook, former president of the American Immigration Lawyers Association, warn that these individuals would be among the easiest to round up. The government knows where they live, Cook said. This would make deporting parole recipients a simpler task for the administration, but it would also disrupt the lives of families who are already struggling to adjust to life in the U.S. Humanitarian parole has always been about offering protection to those in need, and for many, it has been a vital escape route from dangerous situations. The tool has been used to bring people from war-torn regions, political crises, and unsafe environments into the U.S., offering them a chance to build new lives. As the debate over immigration continues to unfold, one thing is clear: the future of humanitarian parole is at a crossroads. What do you think? We want to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below. Thank you for tuning into this important discussion on Immigrations and Jobs Talk Show. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates.